This video is about the restaurant Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken, which has some of the best chicken you can get. It's definitely in a top 5 of chicken joints for me. I remember when I was young, my mom went and got the breast strips for me. And they became an instant favorite. I've been eating those ever since I was a little kid. Then they introduced, at the time they called them spicy jumbo dippers, but now I believe they just call them boneless wings. Or no, they're spicy jumbo dippers. They're really spicy, but they're like giant chicken nuggets. I believe when you get an order of them, you get 6. And they got pretty good mashed potatoes and potato wedges too. I remember when Lee's first started out, the founder of Lee's and then the Colonel from KFC were actually friends. And I believe they worked together. But that was back in the olden days. But that's all I got for now. I'll see you in the next video. This has been your boy, Isolated 937.